In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn profile ID. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your LinkedIn account. This is an essential step because you need to be in your account to access your profile ID. Once you've entered your login details and are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage or dashboard. Now, as you look around your dashboard, locate your profile icon. This might be labeled as Me or simply be an icon with your picture or initials, depending on how your profile is set up. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select View Profile. After you've navigated to your profile, direct your attention to the top of the browser window. You'll see the URL, and within the URL is your LinkedIn profile ID. This may look like a string of numbers and letters at the end of the web address. This URL uniquely identifies your LinkedIn profile and can be shared with others when you want them to easily find your profile. There's also another way to access or check your profile ID, giving you some flexibility depending on your preference. On the right-hand side of your profile page, locate the Edit Public Profile and URL option. It's typically accompanied by a small pencil icon, which indicates you can make changes. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new window dedicated to your public profile settings. In this window, you'll find a section that allows you to customize your URL. It's here that you can see your current profile ID. You have the option to copy this ID if you need to use it elsewhere, such as sharing it with colleagues or embedding it in your email signature for easy access. Moreover, LinkedIn provides the flexibility to customize this URL. You might prefer this option if you want a more personalized link that's easier for others to recognize and remember. Simply follow the instructions in this settings window to tailor your profile ID to your liking. Customizing your URL is a great way to enhance your professional branding on LinkedIn, helping you stand out in searches and making your profile more accessible. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to check and customize your LinkedIn profile ID effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified about our new uploads. Thank you for watching and see you next time.